Alright, so basically we were winning 2-0. They ended the game. His teammate left, and 6 minutes passed, and he didn't look. Watch, his teammate left, and his teammate was in here 8 minutes ago. Gabby Barrel 13. He was in here 8 minutes ago, and he stalled right now. He started it up. He's just stalling. Look, he's not even starting it up, and he forfeits the game for not starting up. We were already 2-0, and they just ended it, and he just started it up, and he ended it. He's just stalling, wasting. Look, he's not starting it right now. He had to start. He has 5 minutes. His teammate was in here 8 minutes ago, 9 minutes now, and they forfeit for not starting up match. I told him to start it up. He's not listening. It's a forfeit. Oh, look, it's a forfeit.